number 1. In the last week of April 2026, which mobile app was launched by the government of Mizoram at the regional level to strengthen disaster management and early warning systems? The correct option is Quarrel. Question number 2. In the Corruption Perceptions Index, that is CPI 2025, what is India's rank out of 182 countries? Correct option is option B, 91st. Question number 3. What is the official name of the political party launched by the Tamil superstar Thalapathy Vijay? The correct option is Tamijaga Vetri Kagajam. Question number 4. What was the primary objective of launching the One Stop Center scheme funded under the Nirbhaya Fund? The correct answer is to offer integrated support and assistance to women affected by violence under one roof. Question number 5. Which gas do aerobic animals use for respiration? The correct option is option D, oxygen. Question number 6. Where was the 14th Ministerial Conference of the World Trade Organization held in 2026? The correct option is option number C, Cameroon. Question number 7. Which of the following organic materials undergo the fastest biodegradation? The correct option is option number C, fruit peels. Question number 8. How many Indian universities or institutions are featured in the top 50 globally in the main overall list of recent QS World University Rankings? The correct option is option number A, 0. Question number 9. As per the budget estimates for 2026 to 2027, India's fiscal deficit is estimated to what percentage of GDP? The correct answer is option C, 4.3%. Question number 10. Who is the captain of the Indian women's hockey team for the 2026 FIH Hockey World Cup? The correct answer is option B, Salima Tete. Question number 11. In which city was the 11th session of the Conference of the States Parties to the United Nations Convention Against Corruption held in the year 2025? The correct answer is option B, Doha, Qatar. Question number 12. What is the rate of change of velocity called as? The correct answer is option C, acceleration. Question number 13. Which living vascular tissue in plants is responsible for transporting food, sugar and nutrients prepared by the leaves to various parts of the plants? The correct answer is option B, phloem. Question number 14. Who completed the 200-meter race in stunning time of 19.67 seconds at the 2026 Australian Athletics Championships? The correct answer is option C, gout. Question number 15. The Sachet mobile app is operated by which of the following authorities or departments to provide real-time alerts of natural disasters to citizens? The correct answer is option B, Natural Disaster Management Authority. Question number 16. India's first indigenous based gene therapy has been launched for the permanent cure of sickle cell disease, that is SCD. What is the official name of the genetic therapeutic platform? The correct answer is option A, BIRSA 101. Question number 17. On 25th of February 2026, India signed a historic memorandum of understanding with which neighboring country to promote the bilateral cooperation in the fields of forests, wildlife, environment, biodiversity conservation, and climate change. The correct answer is option C, Nepal. Question number 18. What happens during the phenomenon of dispersion of light? The correct answer is option B. White light splits into its constituent colors. Question number 19. A defect of vision in which a person can see distant objects clearly but cannot see the nearby objects distinctly is called. The correct answer is option B, hypermetropia. Question number 20. When an object undergoes uniform circular motion, which of the following statements is correct regarding its speed and velocity? The correct answer is option D. Speed remains constant but velocity changes because its direction changes. Question number 21. India's third lunar mission Chandrayaan-3 was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO using which of the following heavy lift rocket? The correct answer is option C, LVM-3M4. Question number 22. A solution contains 25 grams of solute and 175 grams of solvent. Calculate the mass percentage of the solution. The correct answer is option B, 12.5%. Question number 23. Which of the following acids is used as a preservative to protect the pickles from the spoilage and keep them preserved for a long time? The correct answer is option B, acetic acid. Question number 24. Which of the following is the highest quality, that is the best ore of iron, containing the maximum metal content, that is about 72%? The correct answer is option A, magnetite. Question number 25. Which of the following allotropes of carbon exhibits a rigid three-dimensional tetrahedral structure, making it the hardest natural substance on the earth? The correct answer is option D, diamond. So if you want few more videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel so that you will get more videos regarding all the shifts and all the repeated questions. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.